Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Managing blood sugar levels while sleeping is crucial for overall health, especially for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. During the night, our bodies continue to process glucose, and maintaining stable blood sugar can prevent morning spikes and crashes. In this video, we'll explore various drinks and snacks that can help lower blood sugar levels at night. By incorporating these options into your nighttime routine, you can enjoy better sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed. Not only do these choices support healthy blood sugar management, but they also promote overall wellness, making them a brilliant addition to your evening habits. Let's dive in. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Drinks to lower blood sugar levels. Staying hydrated is essential. Water is the best choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels at night. It helps flush out excess glucose and supports overall bodily functions. Unsweetened green tea is another excellent option. Packed with antioxidants, it can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Lastly, apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, making it a great addition to your evening routine. Incorporating these drinks into your nightly habits can significantly aid blood sugar regulation while you sleep, promoting better health and a more restful night. Consider adding them to your routine. Drinking water before bed offers numerous benefits, particularly for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Staying hydrated helps your body efficiently process glucose, reducing the risk of nighttime spikes. Additionally, water plays a vital role in overall health and metabolism, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Proper hydration supports kidney function, essential for filtering excess sugar from the bloodstream. By ensuring you drink adequate water throughout the day, you set the stage for better nighttime regulation of blood sugar. So, make it a habit to keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day, ensuring you're well hydrated by bedtime for optimal health. Thanks to its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins, unsweetened green tea is a powerhouse for blood sugar control. These antioxidants support metabolic health by enhancing fat oxidation and improving energy expenditure. Additionally, studies suggest that green tea can improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Drinking a cup of unsweetened green tea before bedtime can be a soothing ritual that not only aids in blood sugar management, but also promotes relaxation. However, enjoying it in moderation is essential, as excessive caffeine close to bedtime may disrupt your sleep. Embrace this healthy habit for better nights. Unsweetened black tea is an excellent choice for nighttime consumption, offering several benefits for blood sugar regulation. Rich in flavonoids, black tea can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage glucose levels effectively. Regular consumption has also been linked to a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, making it a brilliant addition to your evening routine. Enjoying black tea without added sugars is key, as sweeteners can counteract its health benefits. Instead, savor this delightful beverage's natural flavors and warmth, knowing you're supporting your health while winding down for the night. Apple cider vinegar diluted in water offers impressive health benefits, particularly for blood sugar management. Consuming it before meals can help lower blood sugar levels after eating, making it a great addition to your routine. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is known to improve digestion and promote gut health by enhancing the acidity of your stomach, which aids in breaking down food. To try this simple recipe, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Enjoy this refreshing drink before meals to support your health and well-being. Drinking tomato juice at night can be nutritious, thanks to its low glycemic index and rich nutrient content. This means it won't cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a smart option for those looking to manage their glucose. Additionally, tomato juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. When choosing tomato juice, choose low-sodium varieties to keep your evening snack heart healthy. Incorporating this refreshing drink into your nighttime routine can provide essential nutrients while promoting overall wellness. Enjoy it chilled or warm. Consuming kefir before bed offers numerous advantages, primarily due to its rich probiotic content. These beneficial bacteria support gut health by promoting a balanced microbiome, which can enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, kefir has been shown to help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their glucose overnight. The combination of protein and healthy fats in kefir can also satisfy you, reducing late-night cravings. Incorporating this creamy, tangy drink into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your health. Consider enjoying a small glass of kefir as part of your evening routine. Choosing the right bedtime snacks is essential for managing blood sugar levels and ensuring a restful night. Opting for snacks that combine protein and healthy fats can help stabilize glucose levels, preventing spikes and crashes during the night. These combinations keep you satisfied and support muscle repair and overall health. Examples include a small handful of nuts, Greek yogurt with berries, or whole grain crackers with nut butter. To make healthy choices easier, consider preparing these snacks in advance so they're ready to grab when hunger strikes. Incorporating these smart snacks into your evening routine can promote better sleep and balanced blood sugar. Pairing apple slices with peanut butter is a delicious and nutritious snack with numerous health benefits. Apples are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full, while peanut butter provides a good source of protein and healthy fats. This combination can effectively stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes. When choosing peanut butter, choose natural varieties without added sugars or unhealthy oils to maximize health benefits. Enjoy this satisfying snack as part of your evening routine to support your overall wellness and keep cravings at bay. Consuming nuts and seeds as a bedtime snack offers many health benefits, particularly for blood sugar control. Packed with healthy fats and protein, they help stabilize glucose levels and satisfy you throughout the night. However, portion control is essential, as these nutrient-dense snacks can be calorie-rich. A small handful is typically sufficient to reap the benefits without overindulging. Consider mixing nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia, and pumpkin seeds to keep your evening snacks interesting. This variety enhances flavor and provides a broader range of nutrients for your health. Plain yogurt topped with berries or cinnamon is a nutritious and satisfying bedtime snack. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which support gut health by promoting a balanced microbiome and aiding digestion. Adding berries enhances the flavor and introduces powerful antioxidants that help combat inflammation and protect your cells. Conversely, cinnamon is known for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. To maximize these benefits, choose unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars that can disrupt blood sugar management. This delightful combination makes for a delicious, health-focused snack that supports overall wellness while satisfying your cravings. We explored the importance of choosing the right drinks and snacks to help manage blood sugar levels at night. Each choice is vital in promoting overall health, from hydrating with water and enjoying unsweetened green tea to incorporating nutritious options like kefir and apple slices with peanut butter. We also highlighted the benefits of snacks like nuts and seeds and plain yogurt with berries or cinnamon. Implementing these suggestions into your nightly routine can support better blood sugar control and enhance your well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more health tips.